It's healing time again. This time we're going to focus on our adrenal glands. Sometimes this can be an issue for a lot of people. Sometimes we might be in the stages of just the beginning of our adrenal glands being exhausted. And to heal your adrenal glands, it takes time and patience. So don't be hard on yourself, but everybody could use a boost of adrenal healing. And this is the time to do it. So if you want to receive this healing energy, all you need to do is say yes or I accept. And let's get into the meditation. I do things in meditation because our bodies heal when we're in the rest and digest state. And sometimes we live in fight and flight with stress and we can't heal. So I like to get everybody into the rest and digest state through meditation so that we can actually get and allow the body to heal. So I want you to sit there, lay there, close your eyes, and take a deep breath in and exhale. And focus on your body. Notice how it's feeling. And then take another deep breath in and exhale. And again, keep noticing your body. Your body is trying to talk to you. And that is when if we pay attention to that, then we can heal. So we're going to start by doing a quick grounding meditation. Most people aren't grounded. The more grounded you are, the more you are with your energy, the more you feel safe and secure. So today we're going to do something different. Today I want you to imagine yourself sitting on a mountain. And this mountain has grasses, it has rock and shale, but it's got a beautiful view. And you're just sitting there, you got the sun on your face, a light warm breeze on your skin, and you feel comfortable, you feel grounded, and you feel safe. And as you sit there, you are naturally being grounded to the earth, as your grounding cord at the base of your spine is touching the surface where you're being grounded. And if you need to, because you don't feel as grounded as you like to be, you can pause this, sit here for a little bit more, and get a little bit more grounded. Because we all need to be grounded. What we're going to do now is we're going to visualize a gauge in front of you. And this is a round gauge. It has got the numbers 0 to 10 on it. And we're going to move the gauge through different frequencies for you, for healing your adrenals. Because some of these are going to be beneficial to you, some of them you don't need. So you're going to be the one who decides which one feels best for you within your physical body. And we're just going to go through them slowly. You're going to remember the number or numbers that feel good for your body. And then we're going to go back to that one, and you can use that later. So right now, just turn your gauge to number 1 and just see and notice or feel or hear if this frequency, energy, is good for your adrenals right now. And just see if you can notice that. See how this frequency feels in your body. And you should know quite fairly quickly if this is a good one for you. You might not feel anything, so then you know it's not a good one for you. This one will help most people, I think. So move your dial or gauge to number 2 and see how this frequency or energy feels for you. And again, remembering the number if it's a good number for you. And you might have more than one. So now go back to your gauge and turn it to number 3. And then see how this frequency feels for you. Is this one going to be a benefit to you? Now let's move the gauge to number 4 and see how this frequency is in your body. Is this the right one for you? Now move the gauge to number 5 and then feel this frequency and see how it feels for you. This is just a way of making this unique to your physical body that you need. Now turn the dial to number 6 and see if you can feel this one and see if it's right for you. You will know. Trust your intuition. Listen to your body. Okay, so now move your dial to number 7. And this one might benefit everybody. So just feel this energy come in. And again, remember to take note of the number or numbers that are going to benefit you. Now go back to the dial, turn it to number 8, and see if this frequency is correct and helpful for you and your adrenals. And then we're going to move the dial to number 9, the last one, and see if this one is the frequency that's going to benefit you. So just feel it coming into your body. See if you notice it. Is it the right one for you? If not, don't worry. So now that you know which number or numbers are going to benefit you, turn that dial to that number. And if you have 2 numbers, turn it to the first one. And then sit there for a little while with that frequency. And again, you can pause the video and be in this frequency for longer if you need to. But just see and feel the energy within you. Where is it going? How does it feel? Can you notice anything about it? Is there a color attached to it, an emotion or feeling with it? And how does it make you feel? And just sit with this energy for a bit. This is your time to heal. So by taking time for yourself, you're honoring your body and your soul. And this is going to help in the long run. Now, if you have another digit, another number that you found that is going to be helpful, you can change your gauge to that number. And you can sit there with that energy for a while. And you can do these frequencies anytime that you feel that you're exhausted and that you need a little boost with your adrenal glands. But healing the adrenal glands takes time. You need to be aware of your water intake and the food that you're consuming, and try to do small exercising of walking. That's going to help you to get that energy slower, but not drain you physically. So it's about taking care of yourself, self-care. So you can watch or listen to this video again anytime that you need to. Be gentle on yourself when trying to heal anything in your physical body. Always set an intention that this is for your benefit, that it will help you in the long run, whatever your intention is. And if you have any other concerns or issues that you would like me to do a meditation on to heal some other things, just drop me a comment below so that I know what it is that you would like help with. I will be putting up more healing ones, but I'm putting up the ones that I think people need versus maybe what others do really need. And just let me know. And I hope you enjoyed this and you're now in a state of rest and digest. And if you are, you should be drinking plenty of water for the next couple of days as your body is trying to adjust to this new frequency that you just put in your body. Until next time.